This is a true classic, and classics never die. I'm gonna show you how to make this grilled cheese, bacon, and egg so simple, but so delicious. What's up, returning subscribers? Hey, if this is the first time on my channel, this is Cooking Made Simple. Everything I do here, I try to make it simple. So, if you like what you see, consider subscribing, hit the bell, and you'll be on your way. Alright, so here's what you're gonna need. We got butter, cheddar, bacon, sourdough bread, because sourdough bread gets nice and crunchy when you grill it with butter. I have egg, and I also have Italian dry herbs right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and drop our bacon into the pan. Now the key to crispy bacon is low and slow. So we're gonna just get this all nice and crispy. On the same pan, I basically took some paper towels and I dabbed up some of that bacon fat. But in the same pan, that way we get some of that bacon flavor, we're gonna melt down this butter. Now check this out. This is really cool what we're gonna do. This adds a lot of flavor to your bread. You're gonna melt that butter down. Then you're gonna take those dry herbs and you're gonna sprinkle them around on the bottom of the pan. Okay? Take your bread and make sure, this is very important, that you get all of the edges completely covered in butter. And then you see those herbs? It's gonna add a lot of flavor. Now on a medium to more low temperature, we're gonna go ahead and let this get nice and golden brown. Add your cheese at this time and we're gonna get that nice and melted. So now I got my non-stick dedicated egg pan right here. So while my bread's over here getting golden brown, we're gonna go ahead and cook off the eggs. Go big or go home. We're gonna do 2 eggs on this thing. Okay, so on your eggs, same thing as the bacon, low and slow. We're gonna keep this on like a medium to low temperature. You don't want the outside edge to get overcooked and then the middle be raw still. So you want this to all cook evenly. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is ready to build. So let's do it. And there it is, classic, but still sexy. Returning subscriber. You ready?
Mm-hmm, go.
Returning subscribers, welcome back. No. Returning subscribers, what's up? Or no. No, cut it.
No, it's good.